I thought I'd make a video about changing the light globes in a GTV 916. So I'm using the Philips WhiteVision 12 volt 60 watt globes. So you need to remove the black plastic piece under the engine bonnet. So there are 4 screws on each side, so one there, one up the center and one up the back. On the left is completely mirrored, so as you can see in the same spot, just mirrored on the left side. There and up the back, and make sure you don't drop any of the screws into the engine bay like I've done here, as you will never find them again. Just learning from experience. So as you've removed all the screws, the plastic piece on either side, they'll just come straight up, and then you can get to work. Underneath is the cluster and some plugs. So on the back of the globe, you need to make sure you release these needles here from the clip. So poke it up like the left one there, as you can see, it pops straight up. Be a bit careful with them, as they're a bit finicky and they can snap. So just wait till you do it, be patient. There you go, now they're up. So here's the back of the cluster again. As you can see where my finger is, they're up, they've been popped. So the plug will just pop straight out of the back of the globe. Be a bit careful because the wiring is a bit fragile and it should come out with a bit of ease. Now when we're removing the globe, it's one entire unit, the HB3 globe. So I push it to the left, you'll see it pop, it'll turn, and it comes out with relatively pretty easy, to be honest. So there you go, and that's the original globe and branding on the back of it. You can see HB3 12 volt 60 watt on the back as well. So on the right side of the car here, just looking, as you can see the globes have been taken out. The one on the right is the main beam and the one on the left is the high beam, just in case you want to change one of them. I've done both here, just so you don't forget. Also the black plastic piece here, you can tilt it upwards to give yourself a bit more room for the high beam globe. So there's a new globe there. Put it in as you took the old one out, it'll just go in. Make sure the base of it's pointing left and then pop it down and it'll go back in. And that's it. Put the black plastic piece back in, screw them all together. As you can see, perfect. And here you go, here's just a comparison. So the one on the left has the original globe still in it. So you can see it's a bit more of a yellow tinge, and the one on the right is the new Philips WhiteVision globe. So this is just a comparison. The fog lights haven't been done yet, they're just the original globes. You can see the difference. The new ones are very clear and white, and the fog lights are very yellow. And just another external view with the bonnet down. And there you go. So while I was doing this, I couldn't find any videos of anyone doing this to help me. So I thought I'd make it to help the rest of the community. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.